Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Wazer appearance on the map on the Waze application. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on the view profile. And now you have to click on the mood option. It says that if you want a different mood, you have to drive at least 160 kilometers to unlock more moods. So because I'm a newbie, I have this Waze newbie mood or option, but you can see some special moods, and there are these exclusive for map editors, the Tyrex, the 8-bit, and so on. So if you can scroll down, you can see a lot of options for your Wazer, and you can select them after you drive 160 kilometers. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next